Hi guys, welcome back to SS Multimedia. I'm Abhi Palm, and today we're going to be playing a game called Among Us. Among Us is a mobile game, and today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to play it. So as you can see, we have a few options here. You can play online, and you can change your name. My name is currently Cap Abhi. You can find games people are actually playing. You can also create your games. And also you can join your friend's game by entering their code. So Among Us has lots of online options. But today we're going to be playing free play because today it's a tutorial. Now there are three maps. There's the Skeld, Ura, and Polis. Skeld is basically for beginners. As you progress through, you can go to Mira and Polis. So since this is a tutorial, we're going to go with the Skeld. Now, what's the objective? The objective is you have to try to win the game as a crewmate. So there's crewmates and imposters. Imposters has to kill the crewmates. And if they do that, they win. But crewmates have tasks. If they complete their tasks, they win. Or the crewmates can win by voting the imposter out. After the imposter has killed a crewmate, there will be an emergency meeting when a player reports the dead body. After you're killed, you will become a body, like a dead body. Once they report that, there will be a thing called meeting where you can discuss points like, okay, who was closest to the body, who was acting suspicious, who's done fake tasks. I've seen this person kill right in front of me, and I vented. Now vented. What's the vented? This is vents. Only imposters can use these vents. And if a crewmate catches them, that's an excellent point to tell why they're imposters. You always need to have proof when you're discussing. So since I'm imposter right now, I have to do my tasks. So here, my first task here is admin swipe card. Now there are things like cafeteria, weapons, and O2, and there's different kind of rooms in the spaceship. This is a spaceship if you can't tell. So you can go to your task in a certain room. So I have admin. So this is admin, and there's a guy named Dummy2 playing. So you're going to click the use button, and you're just going to do the task. You want to read the directions. Please insert the card. You're going to press on it. You're just going to do a swipe it. So I'm done with that task. And you know when you're done, when you can see on top left right here, you can see it became green. That means you're done. Now there are certain parts for tasks. Let's say there's a task called downloading data. That task has 7 parts. If you do one part, then it'll turn yellow until you complete all the parts. So yeah. Today I'm not going to be showing you how we can play and discuss the meetings. It's just showing you basically what Among Us is and some rooms and some task examples. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to SS Multimedia. Comment down below what we can do better, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.